little bit. So I just quickly looks nice and थोड़ा गीला गीला है बाहर से, but thank God to this amazing packaging. इसको कुछ नहीं हुआ है and it looks amazing and tell you how amazing the color looks like. यहाँ से भी बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. So I'll quickly open it up, all the 68 pieces, and then ta-ta-da, just look at it. Like every one of them looks amazing and all of them are like rubber, and I'll just show you. This is like a cute rubber, this is like a different toffee, there's a rainbow also, and then everything you can. So the size is small, so you have to at least have a very ring size, but you have everything from candy to sunflower to everything. I think ये सारे 68 pieces हो जाने चाहिए जैसा मेरे को लग रहा है. From candy to this, like just look at it, everything looks bright, just so nice, like, and this quality is also, and it's like the thing. तो ऐसे उंगली में तो फंस ही जाएगा. तो you can, and even if you do like a big also you can, मतलब ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं कर सकते, but that is. So I'll quickly, like, this is one, this is another. All the colors are very nice, like this. I don't know how much justice I'm doing, and all has a different shapes, like this butterfly, then this like a two sunflower, this like a candy, this is like a bear, then this is like a again sunflower half, this is like a heart. So it's like a for a kid but for every day, and you can, better would be just distribute it. So let's see, this is, and it's like a true Meesho find, like such an amazing thing to show. And I like this one specifically, and this like again this nice, this ये थोड़ा कट गया है तो not a very bad quality because इतने सारे हैं. And this also somebody, then this is cute, इनको मैं साइड में रख देता हूँ. So this is again some kind of a door, then this is rainbow, this like a proper strawberry, then this is some sun with the sunglasses, then this like a bear, this is cupcake, this is little flower, like looks cute, then this is bear, this is rainbow, this is toffee candy, this is टूटा हुआ है, but this like a bee small. So this is all it is. Link in the description. Very good, highly recommended, and very good price. Bye bye, thank you.